Your small business is growing, which means more clients, more projects, and a lot more emails. Let's fix that. A client portal gives your clients everything they need in one place: updates, files, invoices, and feedback, without chasing you. Here are the 10 best client portals for small businesses in 2025, and what makes each worth it. Number 1. Agency Handy. If you want to manage your small digital agency business without a second headache, Agency Handy should be your go-to. It turns your services into a storefront where clients can self-checkout, pay, and instantly get their own white-labeled portal. They track progress, upload files, and leave annotated feedback in real time. Invoices, subscriptions, CRM, and task management all run automatically. For agencies and small businesses, it's the best client portal software built for scaling smoothly. Number 2. Bonsai. Now, if you're a freelancer or consultant who prefers simplicity, let's talk about Bonsai. Bonsai gives you a branded portal for clients to sign contracts, view invoices, and track progress, all in one place. It's perfect for consultants who want a clean, password-free space that looks professional and feels effortless. Simple, smart, and ideal for solo operators managing multiple clients. Number 3. Kitchen.co. Kitchen.co keeps client work neat and easy. It organizes every project into shared folders, tasks, messages, files, all together. You can embed tools like Figma or Calendly directly in the client's portal. It's intuitive, visual, and works great for small agencies or freelancers. But if you want full customization and deep branding, take a look at SuiteDash. Number 4. SuiteDash is a secure client portal software with complete control over design and structure. You can build dynamic dashboards, create your own menus, and even use a branded mobile app. It's flexible and powerful, ideal for agencies running multiple services under one roof. Number 5. HoneyBook. HoneyBook makes client experiences beautiful. Its smart files merge proposals, contracts, and payments into one smooth journey. Plus, clients can sign, pay, and see updates inside a branded hub. For creative professionals, photographers, designers, coaches, it's simple, elegant, and efficient. Next up is FuseBase, a modern AI-powered platform for collaboration. Number 6. FuseBase. FuseBase builds sleek, interactive client portals that feel like mini websites. You can drag and drop sections, share documents, and track client tasks. With automation, real-time chat, and branding options, it's perfect for consultants and small agencies who value professionalism and speed. Number 7. Productive for small teams that want full financial and project visibility. There's Productive. Productive combines project management with live client dashboards. Clients log in to see budgets, deliverables, and time logs, all updated in real time. It's transparent, data-driven, and built for small businesses that want measurable growth. Number 8. 17 Hats. Now, for solo business owners looking to simplify everything, meet 17 Hats. 17 Hats gives solopreneurs a single hub for quotes, contracts, invoices, and bookings. Clients log in, review files, make payments, and schedule meetings instantly. It's designed for ease, automation, and professionalism. No learning curve, no clutter. Number 9. Dubsado. Dubsado is made for freelancers tired of messy inboxes. It gives your clients a private branded hub for all forms, files, and payments. Once set up, it automates your entire process, from onboarding to invoicing, a must-have for designers, photographers, and consultants. And finally, if security is your top priority, check out Clinked. Number 10. Clinked focuses on high-level security and compliance. Used by accountants and law firms, it ensures every file, message, and signature is encrypted. Clients get a branded app, detailed audit trails, and total peace of mind. It's the go-to secure client portal software for businesses handling sensitive data. Every small business needs one reliable system for clients, projects, and payments. If you want automation, branding, and simplicity in one place for your small business, Agency Handy does it best. Try it free for 7 days, and finally run your small business like the pros do.